Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Got these Tac9er tactical gloves. I won these in Broseph Russell did a video giveaway, the video contest. He did a giveaway for these. And they sent this to me directly from them. So thank you, brother, appreciate that. Now I'm a big believer in PPE, which is personal protective equipment. You know, keep your hands safe, man. Your hands and your feet. Which is why I'm always going on about gloves and boots. I wish I brought some water. So we'll try these on real quick. I told him my size was large. So I had to pull the strap out, and you can't see it on camera, but there we go. Let's turn the camera down. I'll put on the other one. So it actually has two adjustment points. It's got one here, a little one here, and then it's got the strap around the wrist, which is a nice touch. I believe the cost of these was about $30, which isn't too shabby. You know, I'll go over why. In fact, I even commented on his video. I said, yeah, that's not bad. Not for what you get. So, got the glove on. You can adjust it here, which is nice. And then feed the strap through. How can I do it with one hand? Yeah, I did it on the other glove perfectly, and then this one. Of course, I wasn't wearing a glove then, but there we go. Alright. So they got these knuckle guards here, which Joseph actually punched through a piece of wood. So you keep your wow. That would hurt my That would really hurt my other hands. Not getting anything out of it, because you would have heard me griping about it. Actually took a little bit of the coating off, as you can see that. So this would be great for like, you know, mountain bikers, or maybe even motorcycle riders. Keep your knuckles safe. It's nice having gloves. Alright, so it says on the package that you can use a touchscreen sensitive, so if I can get my phone out. Of course, the gloves have to stick to the Velcro on the pants because... So let's see if I can operate my phone. The only thing is I don't have fingertip sensitivity. Yeah, it's really not easy with the gloves on. It says it can do it, but I was having a hard time. So they're fully lined with Kevlar to resist heat, cuts and tears, protective knuckle armor and finger shields. And I did notice they've got these little knuckle guards here, as well as the, well, knuckle guard, but they got the little finger guards here too. So if you're like changing a tire, I don't know if you remember the movie, or the TV show, The Incredible Hulk, when he's changing his tire and he hits his hand against his hand, and then he hulks out and throws the car upside down. Well, if he was wearing gloves, he would have hit his hand and it wouldn't have hurt, and he wouldn't have to throw his car over. So, yeah, protective knuckle, and then touch screen. I don't know how very touch screen they are, but I'll tell you what, these are nice. And I'm gonna be, I'm actually gonna keep these in the truck here. I'm gonna put them up in the cab. So if I'm doing any work in or around the truck, then I'll be able to protect my hands from you know, from either changing a tire or I'm messing around in the back looking for something, I need to get higher tailgate or cap. As you can see, anyway, yeah, pretty nice. So thanks again, bro, and thank you, Tac9er. I think that's how you say their name. Tac9er. I think it's supposed to be Tac9er. Tac9er maybe. And appreciate the gloves. I actually really like them. And I will catch you guys on the next one. Don't forget to check the description for links and other stuff. Have a good one.